Patrick here for Thinkaholics. I'm here with Justin Foster, co-founder of LiveClicker. So we're checking out your new product, Real-Time Email. Can you tell the audience a little bit about it?
Sure, yeah. Basically what we do with real-time email is we enable content within email messages to be updated at the moment the email is opened, as opposed to when the email is sent.
So it's no longer static content, it's actually kind of a living, breathing entity.
That's right. I mean, for years, email marketers have basically been frozen in time when they send their messages out, and we really help make their messages more engaging, dynamic, and interactive by changing to each opener's unique context.
So what parts of the email can now be live and updated every time they open it?
So it's basically like anything inside of the email, and I can give you like a couple of examples of that. So one very compelling example is the ability to embed video inside of email. So email senders have been trying to put video inside of email for years, but they haven't been able to do it because you have all these different mail clients, they don't all support video. Well, what we can do is we can detect at the moment of open if an email client can support video or not, and if it can, we'll render video, and if not, rather than breaking the email, we'll show just a regular clickable video thumbnail. There are all sorts of cool interactive things like that you can do now with email.
And so, you mentioned we get click-through rates and stuff like that. So where do those analytics live? Where does that data live?
So LiveClicker is basically just an image tag that sits inside the email template and gets sent out through Salesforce Marketing Cloud or whoever the email service provider is pushing the email out. So all of the click-through data, conversion data, open data, all of that continues to come through Marketing Cloud. LiveClicker is going to collect some additional analytics. For example, how long were video or emails left open that contain video? How long were emails left open that had maybe, say, a countdown timer or a live weather forecast inside of email? So we augment the analytics that are collected through Marketing Cloud, but we don't replace them.
Okay, and can that extra data go to some other org for further analysis, or does it live primarily on your platform?
No, it can definitely go to other platforms. So the data can be pulled out. We have a REST API that can be used to pull the data out. All the data is available in XML. We can push the data out through scheduled reports. So yes.
Okay. And what about the actual building of the email? Is this still a marketer can build this email? They're not coding or anything, right?
So we don't actually touch the coding of the email piece. The workflow that a marketer uses when using LiveClicker changes very little compared to when they're not. So typically the process is still going to be, you have the, email is designed, you have a layered PSD file that, is basically then cut down, and you've got HTML that's coded. Where the live content lives, the LiveClicker powered content, basically just leave an open div inside of your HTML content, or you leave an open table cell or something like that. LiveClicker has our own web UI that a user logs into to configure these different live pieces of content. The output of our platform is just a simple image tag. So the image tag gets copied and pasted into the body of the HTML, sent out as normal.
So a very minor change in your general email marketing campaign.
Very minor change. Yep.
So where can people go to check it out?
So if you'd like to learn more about LiveClicker, you can go to realtime.email, and we've got a bunch of examples there. You can actually even input your email address, and if you'd like to see some live content in action, you can do it right there.
Go check out the demo, folks. Thanks so much.
Thank you.